In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make everyone wait in the lobby in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if you run classes, client calls, or confidential meetings and you want to control exactly when people can join. By the end of this video, you'll know how to change a simple setting so that only you can enter the meeting directly, and everyone else will stay in the lobby until you let them in. Let's get started inside Microsoft Teams. First, look for the More menu. Depending on what version you're using, this is usually represented by 3 dots. You might see it along the left sidebar or near the top of the screen when you're in the calendar or meetings area. Go ahead and click on More to open the extended options. This gives you access to additional settings that aren't shown by default. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where Microsoft Teams keeps most of the configuration options that affect how your meetings behave. If you don't see settings right away, check that you're in the main Teams window and not inside a specific chat pop-out. Once you're in settings, look for the section called Meeting Options and click on it. Meeting options control what happens before and during a meeting, who can present, who can unmute, and in our case, who can skip the lobby. Opening this area lets you fine-tune the level of control you want over your participants. Inside Meeting Options, find the setting that says who can bypass the lobby and click on it. This is the key setting we're going to change. By default, it might be set to something like people in my organization, or everyone, which means some or all participants can join the meeting instantly without waiting. To force everyone to wait in the lobby, change this option to Only Me. Click on Only Me from the list of choices. With this selection, you are the only person who can enter the meeting directly. Everyone else will land in the lobby first, and you'll see a prompt to admit them when you're ready. This is perfect for doing quick checks before you start recording or sharing your screen. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This step is important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. Once you hit Save, the new lobby rule will be active for that meeting, and you'll have full control over when participants are allowed in.